Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Benjamin. Join me on July 25th and 26th at the Georgia Massage School to learn the assessment and treatment of lower back pain. Millions of people suffer from pain in the lower back because most healthcare professionals don't really know how to figure out what's causing people's pain. In this workshop, you'll learn a series of tests that will teach you how to assess what's causing the person's pain and how to treat it. There is no rushing. We take our time to make sure that you learn the assessment and treatment techniques correctly. When we palpate and then treat the various anatomical structures that cause lower back pain, I check each person in the class to make sure their fingers are in the right place. With these new skills, you will be able to identify what's causing your client's pain. It's not difficult if you know which hands-on tests to perform and how to pinpoint the injured areas. On the first day, you learn the important history-taking questions, all the assessment tests, and the treatment techniques. On the second day, we have a live clinic where you practice assessing and treating the clients from the community under my supervision. The most satisfying thing that I do in my work is to get people out of debilitating pain that no one else has been able to help them with. And I look forward to teaching you how to do that too.